Welcome to our channel. If you have lost your Discover card, it is important to report it immediately to prevent unauthorized use and protect your account. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Discover mobile app or website and log in to your account using your username, password, or biometric authentication to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the card management section, often found under Manage Cards, Account Services, or Security Settings in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select the card that has been lost from the list of cards associated with your account. Make sure you are reporting the correct card to avoid accidentally disabling the wrong one. Step 4. Look for the option to report your card as lost or stolen. This may be labeled Report Lost Card, Lost or Stolen, or Deactivate Card. Step 5. Confirm that you want to report the card as lost. The bank will immediately deactivate the card to prevent any unauthorized transactions from occurring. Step 6. Request a replacement card if prompted, or contact customer service directly to have a new card sent to your address. Replacement cards typically arrive within a few business days. Step 7. Review your recent account activity to check for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious charges, report them immediately to the bank's fraud department. Step 8. Once your new card arrives, activate it through the app or by calling customer service, and update any recurring payments or saved payment methods with the new card information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.